Today I'll be showing how to find clinical trials in the European Union through a website called EU Clinical Trials Register. If you go to clinicaltrialsregister.eu, and it will bring you to news updates. So you won't find the search engine over here, but you'll have to go to Home and Search, and it will show the search bar over here. For example, we can search breast cancer and radiotherapy, and it will find us all the possible results for the clinical trials that involve breast cancer and radiotherapy. But you can put any drug or treatment with the disease you want to find clinical trials for. So there are 409 results, so 409 clinical trials found for breast cancer and radiotherapy. And please don't be scared off from all the medical jargon and all the numbers. It can be a lot. The two most important things to look out for is actually the EUDRACT number and the full title. And this number actually means the European Drug Regulating Authority's Clinical Trials Database. It's a unique identifier assigned to every clinical trial conducted in the European Union. So if you have this number, you can bring it to your doctor during the next visitation and tell them this is the clinical trial I want to do, and with this number they will be able to find the clinical trial from anywhere. And for your own understanding, the full title will show you which phase the clinical trial is, and what kind of study it is, and what they're actually looking at, and also what kind of breast cancer or disease they're studying. But if you want to know more, you can always click on View Results, and it will have all the information needed because they are obliged to provide all the information about the clinical trial. You can find it over here. It will have all the necessary information. You can just bring it to your doctor and they will be able to answer all your questions, explain all the medical jargon in more detail, and also tell you if you would be a possible candidate for the clinical trial, because they do sometimes have exclusion criteria, but it's not always a hard defined line. So your doctor will definitely be able to tell you if you're qualified. Good luck on finding the right clinical trial.